Matt, you got any pork in the window?
I have 2 right now.
Thank you. No problem, sir. Yeah. These ones can go, all 3? Thank you, sir. 8 steak, sir. 8 steak, half an hour. Thank you. Right, Matty. Matty, we already did the 2 light, right?
2 light? Yeah, you did.
One more time, Z. Thank you, sir. I'll let you know. I'll call you back in a few. Go back to the dish. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good job. What's the call, Z? Not yet. Thank you. Thank you. Z, can I see you here, please? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Put on a boxing glove. I need a personal French fry and fries for 2 pitas. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I made a mistake. Huh? I made a mistake. Keep going, I'll figure it out.
You good on the fries though?
Yeah, keep going on that. The fries is fine. Bring out the 2 stick that you see in there. Bring out the 2 stick that you see in there. Thank you, sir. Open up that 2 stick. Come over to my left, please. Open up that 2 stick. See, man, take out the chicken out of that 2 stick. It's supposed to be 2 pork. I made a mistake. See it up there? Thank you, sir. It's 2 pork, yeah. That. What do you mean? You just took out a chicken. How could they be both pork?
No, they were 2.
Yeah, man. Don't confuse stuff, man. You said the ones in there are both pork, right?
Yeah.
I thought that you meant that that's what's left now. You get? Oh, that's not a steak. I got you.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got you now. I got you now. Z-man, the pitas that are on the grill, madam.
Somebody's asking how long is a 6 chicken, 6 steak, light?
How long for a 6 stick light feast?
Yeah,
25 minutes. 25 minutes. Thank you. That's the 2 sticks. That's me. That's me.
It's already ready.
That's me. Thank you. You're taking out the order and you're taking off. Thank you, sir. That's your pita for the 2. And that's the 1 stick, sorry. Yep. Excellent work. Thank you very much, sir.